Took this trade in the G period as we pulled up to that high from yesterday. And you can see how we're kind of stepping our way down. My first target is at that value area low. It's 36.25, actually 36.75. And then my second target, I thought the way we swept that overnight high, I thought there was a good chance we'd see that overnight low. So I was going to front run that just a little bit. I'm pointing out the value area high and the POC there. I'm looking at those areas to make sure we get through there and we don't try to bounce out of that at all. Makes it through this area pretty easily, so I felt pretty comfortable. I highlighted this area because you can see those other lows there. It was just a spot that I wanted to make sure that they weren't gonna start buying it there, or if we ground around there too long, might want to take one off, or just bring the stop down, something like that, just to see what was happening. Right there, it takes out my first target. Now I'm looking at that A low to see if we can get through there. I thought about bringing the stop down, and then I just decided against it because I thought there was a really good chance that we were going to make this, but it might not go in one shot. At a certain point here, I moved the stop up just to get up closer to that halfback and MarketProfile POC. I thought that was plenty of room. You can see it is kind of bouncing here at the low volume node in the volume profile there. And that's what I was looking at. It keeps grinding around and grinding around. And each time it comes back to that value area low, I'm tempted just to take it because, how much extra am I really trying to get? So, at a certain point, I'm risking 30 ticks to get, 6 more. I'm trying to stay in the trades longer, and think out past the one time frame or the one time session. And it really made sense to me that we were going to take out that overnight low. The way we swept that overnight high, if I was taking that as a sweep trade, I'd automatically be looking for that overnight low. So it just made sense. I was definitely considering taking, like right here, just taking that off. That would be my normal way of trading this for sure. And you had the I period that opened, and it starts to bounce up into that shaded area. Actually moves up a little bit higher, and then it just looks right to me as stepping down with the C high. Then you have the E, the G, the H. It would just make sense that this I would be lower like this, and it's doing it right at that low volume node. So it just lined up perfect. And then I did extend my target, thinking that if it did break that A low, that it was going to push right through there, just kind of flush through that bottom. But as it breaks here, it kind of, it's not as strong a break as I thought it was going to be. So as it pushes closer, I go ahead and take it at 34.25. And that was 38 ticks in the end.